Have you ever looked up at the night sky and noticed the moon appearing larger, brighter, almost unreal? That breathtaking moment is what we call a supermoon. But what exactly is a supermoon? What causes it? Does it really affect Earth and us? And why did ancient civilizations treat this event with fear, rituals, and celebrations? Today, we're breaking down the science, the myths, and the fascinating history behind one of the moon's most powerful displays. Before we dive in, if you love exploring the mysteries of our universe, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. So, let's start with the basics. A supermoon happens when the full moon appears unusually large and bright in the sky. This occurs because the moon's orbit around Earth is not a perfect circle, it is slightly oval, or elliptical. That means sometimes the moon is farther from Earth, and sometimes it's closer. When a full moon occurs while the moon is at its closest point to Earth, a point scientists call perigee, that's when we get a supermoon. During a supermoon, our lunar neighbor can appear up to 14% larger and a staggering 30% brighter than a typical full moon. It's not just a subtle difference. Your eyes notice it instantly. It's a real celestial showstopper. At perigee, its closest point, it's roughly 226,000 miles away. That's a difference of 26,000 miles. When a full moon and perigee align, the moon is physically closer to us, making it appear bigger and brighter in our sky. Because the moon's gravitational pull is stronger when it's closer, supermoons create what we call perigean spring tides. These tides are slightly higher than normal, sometimes by a few inches, which can occasionally contribute to minor coastal flooding if combined with a strong storm system. But what about the more mysterious effects? What about our emotions and behavior? Their kings would perform elaborate protection rituals to ward off any perceived negative omens associated with the unusually bright moon. Grand festivals, similar to the Mid-Autumn Festival we know today, would often take place during supermoon-like nights, bringing communities together. Many Native American tribes also paid close attention to the lunar cycle, as it was directly linked to their survival and way of life. Supermoons often coincided with important seasonal markers. Different tribes had specific names for these powerful moons, like the harvest moon, the wolf moon, or the strawberry moon, and they would hold ceremonies for hunting, harvesting, planting, or simply expressing gratitude for the bounty of the earth. The influence is even embedded in our language. The ancient Greeks and Romans believed the moon goddess, Selene or Luna, held sway over human emotions, madness, and fate. In fact, the very word lunatic comes from Luna, the Roman moon goddess, stemming from the old belief that the full moon could induce temporary insanity. Even the mysterious ancient druids of Celtic cultures were thought to have gathered during large full moons for their sacred ceremonies, chanting and making predictions. They believed that the moon amplified spiritual energy, making their rituals more potent. While modern science explains the orbital mechanics behind the moon's brightness, these ancient beliefs and traditions show just how deeply connected humanity has always been to the rhythm of the night sky. The moon wasn't just a rock in space. It was a guide, a god, a calendar, and a source of profound mystery and meaning. Even in our world of satellites, city lights, and advanced telescopes, supermoons still manage to break through the noise and capture our collective imagination. People all over the world step outside. They point, they look up, they pause,